Here's how to set up a recurring deposit on Robinhood. So recurring deposit would be like you deposit weekly $5, for instance. So to do that, we're going to go to our account dropdown and then transfers. Inside of transfers at the top, we're going to transfer money and we're going to choose an amount. So like I said, it could be like $5, for instance. Then choose your bank account and the Robinhood account you want to be transferring to. And then frequency is where we adjust the recurring. And so when we click on this, we have weekly, twice a month, monthly, quarterly. These are our options. So I could do a monthly $5 to my Robinhood account, for instance. And then it will say this will be initiated on the, it might be on the 21st of every month, the 1st of every month, whatever it is. My numbers in here are all sample numbers, so they don't really make sense. But it'll tell you there when it's going to happen each month. But this is a recurring deposit. And once I review the transfer and make sure all of the information is correct, I can schedule that deposit. So that deposit will happen on the 1st of every month. I hit schedule, and now that automatic deposit is scheduled. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So that is how you can set up a recurring deposit or automatic deposit on Robinhood.